Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the very successful Morant Bay Urban Center. This facility is located in Morant Bay, the capital of St. Thomas, and it is what you call a game changer. Straight ahead, that is the new passport office and tax office, probably the nicest tax office you're going to find in Jamaica. To the right is the courthouse, the nicest courthouse in Jamaica. Now, behind it, you notice there's a lot of land. Now, this urban center has done so well, it's completely booked out. I know there were some discussions about the price or renting some facilities over here, but it's fully leased out, fully booked out. Every space has been leased. We'll talk about the price, the cost of renting a spot here in another video. But what we're going to talk about today is that land behind the urban center. The government is going to be building a micro business park at the Morant Bay Urban Center. In essence, they are expanding the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now, the micro park is going to have smaller units, so basically you will pay less in rent compared to a larger unit at the urban center. So a lot of small and medium-sized companies can now become a part of this urban center in Morant Bay because they'll have a smaller space, more affordable. So we're going to go through an article that talks about the micro business park. The development of the micro-business park at the Morant Bay Urban Center marks a major step towards creating inclusive economic growth and empowering small entrepreneurs in eastern Jamaica. As part of the government's wider plan to transform St. Thomas into a modern hub of business and employment, the micro-park is designed to give micro, small, and medium enterprises affordable access to commercial space, resources, and support systems that can help them grow and formalize their operations. Located adjacent to the new Morant Bay Urban Center, the Microbusiness Park represents the second phase of the project being managed by the Factories Corporation of Jamaica. While the urban center will host government ministries, a BPO facility, financial institutions, and large commercial tenants, the micropark focuses on empowering smaller local operators. It will provide workspace and facilities for artisans, farmers, food processors, tradespeople, and small retailers, groups that form the backbone of the local economy, but often struggle to access suitable premises or financing. One of the most innovative aspects of the micropark is its rent-to-own and equipment financing model. Under this system, small entrepreneurs will be able to lease spaces and gradually pay for the business equipment over time, reducing the burden of large upfront costs. This approach supports financial inclusion and ensures that even micro businesses with limited capital can access the infrastructure they need to succeed. The park will feature approximately 30 micro business units, mini warehouses, a farmers market, cold storage, and 2 large greenhouses to support agro operations. It will also include shared facilities such as a farm supply store and service pavilion, creating a fully integrated ecosystem where local farmers and entrepreneurs can store, process, and distribute their goods from one central location. Alright guys, that is the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.